It's not what you think.
How you know me, I think? Vanessa, am I sensing guilt?
Am I sensing you being some kind of psychologist or therapist? Am I in a session?
No, you're not in a session. But I have a question.
Yes, I find him attractive. Yes, I think he's a really nice person. But no, we are not pursuing anything more. But I think you had more questions.
Your new girlfriend kinda jealous though.
I figured that out.
Him tell you?
He didn't have to. Remember what I do for a living.
Vanessa, listen. Chris is like a brother to me. You're my friend. So, me no...
Toniann, I don't want you to be worried. I know you're concerned, but we're just having conversations. And I know what it may seem like on the outside. It may look different to you, but we are just two adults having conversation. We're just human. That is it. Nothing more, nothing less. So you don't have to worry. I promise.
Me no want feel like a instigator. Me know you and me know she. Me no want one day she pop up you there, him there. You know them?
Toniann, you worry too much. I don't want you to concern yourself with that. Like I said, we're just adults having conversation. That is just it.
Alright. Let's talk about the program.
Yeah, something more positive.
Yeah, something more positive, but I realize it has become more problematic.
What's wrong?
I realize the youth program in a most of the community them, it has shut down.
Even the ones that you were doing before?
Yep. I mean I try get in touch with other communities and are the same thing.
So you have any idea what could be causing this?
Two things so far. One, violence in the community. Two, administrative structure.
Hmm. Two of those things definitely pose some real problems. But do you think we could maybe have a general meeting within these communities, get the parents and kids involved? Maybe we could have them sign a petition.
That makes sense. But the next thing we're gonna need is funding.
Let's take care of this part first, and then we go for the petition. That's kind of the structure. So the petition will basically help us to get the funding. Once they see that the community is interested, we shoot our shots.
Alright. We're gonna need a proposal.
I can help you with that.
Alright. And basically we can try set some dates for me to the community.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this.
Me too. Too much things are going on in the community will need to be addressed. And we can't wait upon the government.
I love that spirit. By the way, where's Kareem? It's been more than 3 weeks.
Please don't remind me. I have 2 more weeks. I'm extending time.
And I'm sure you were making preparations for him.
And me for tell you. You want to see when me get off a Sheen.
I want to see.
Come on, show you. Oh wait, by the way, it's scratchless.
You know, say Lana, right now, I give me a kind of energy where I know say it new still. And like I tell you, I respect what Omega do for me in the past. But you see energy when I get from she right now, as a businesswoman. I kind of write this on my meds there right now. Because some of my things, some of my movements, them me say, Omega go on with it kind of, me can't get involved in that kind of lifestyle right, you know. Because the loud thing and the one get mad in a public thing, and a my style that. Especially that movie when I make now with running for the business. You have to make sure say you have somebody in my corner with more rational than them thinking, you know, and don't approach things certain kind of way. I mean, I don't know if we can trust that with Omega Star. And that's how I worry about her.
Numbers. I is not a man that support and gratefulness. And I don't want to come across like I am encouraging you to be ungrateful. Because you just said Omega has done some things. She has been there. However, the way forward and what we are trying to do here, because don't get it twisted, we appreciate what you've been putting in terms of your time and your vision here while we can't there for ourselves. So it might be a little bit selfish in telling you this, but I also, because I'm sure ranking there, but we can talk for it where this is concerned. So we then prefer the consorting with the kind of best fit our package.
Over's fully where I said, brother.
And as I said before, me still can encourage you to be ungrateful, and most importantly, it's not a decision any of us can or would have even been pertinent enough for try to make for you.